Learn from the best at St. Luke's Hospital of Kansas City. At St. Luke's, we're always investing in the latest technology to give our patients the most advanced treatments available.
We have the newest technology, we have camera systems, audio systems, all the advanced procedure equipment that we would need.
Our fellowship program through the University of Missouri, Kansas City is the ideal environment to gain experience in the field while receiving hands-on mentorship from the nation's leading professionals.
There's a good faculty and staff. You have some very renowned people throughout this program.
They're all really great teachers. They have years of experience. No one's intimidating and always open to answering questions.
We have two primary teaching hospitals. Both have excellent state-of-the-art endoscopy facilities.
The UMKC Gastroenterology Fellowship Program is based at two primary hospitals, St. Luke's Hospital of Kansas City and University Health Truman Medical Center. U.S. News & World Report recognizes St. Luke's Hospital of Kansas City as high-performing in gastroenterology and GI surgery. Our leading-edge facility is the ideal place to develop the next generation of GI experts. Our fellowship program is designed to provide expert training in all aspects of clinical and endoscopic gastroenterology and hepatology.
You get good experience with two different hospital settings, a wide range of patients and demographics, and you get the scope on the first day, which is really awesome. Not every program has that.
With numerous research opportunities, we encourage both lab-based and clinical research. Our goal is to develop compassionate, well-rounded clinicians and academicians who are skilled at caring for all types of gastrointestinal diseases. Graduates from our program have gone on to work in academic medicine, private practices of different sizes, and obtained further subspecialized training at high-ranking institutions throughout the nation. See where you can take your career, where technology meets compassion and research meets opportunity, at the intersection of innovation and hope.